Do you notice anything super mega glamorous? Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am super mega excited. I have partnered with GLAMMY Vanity to bring you today's video. If you want to see me unbox, review, and demo this beautiful, amazing vanity mirror, then just hang out. I have partnered with GLAMMY Vanity for this video. I am stunned. Like, I cannot even believe that this is happening to me. But this beautiful mirror that you see behind me was sent to me. So GLAMMY Vanity is a company that makes stunningly gorgeous vanity mirrors like the one you see behind me. They are from the company Versa Products. If you work in an office type of environment and you've ever seen those tabletop desks, it's like a convertible desk, and then you can stand up like a maniac and work at your desk. That's Versa Desk, and that's who makes that product. And they also make these vanity mirrors. So Versa Products has been around since the early 2000s, so they're a very well-established company, and they produce all of their products right here in the US, which is awesome. So Versa Products makes GLAMMY Vanity, and GLAMMY Vanity produces these stunning, amazing vanity mirrors. They are made of non-distorting glass in its optic quality. So what that means is when you look in the mirror, you're getting the best reflection possible. I know that sounds crazy. Like, is there such a thing as a bad reflection? Yeah, there is. Have you ever looked in a mirror and you look off, a little drawn or wobbly? You're not going to get that with these mirrors. So what you're going to get also with GLAMMY Vanity is a lifetime guarantee, and that's something that you will not see at any other vanity mirror company. So what that means is that they will guarantee this beautiful product to be free of manufacturer defect. They will work with you to make it right. So once I opened the box, the mirror was packaged perfectly, safely inside. The bulbs don't come screwed into the glass. They come individually packaged, and then in the back of the mirror, there's kind of like a little secret cubby. So all of the light bulbs were safely tucked in there, so they were transported very safe and sound. You'll see that I have my mirror set up here on this table with this little foot that you just attach on the bottom with these little screws. So if you want to make your mirror a more permanent fixture in your beauty room, then you can order this optional wall mount kit that's very sturdy and secure. Like, these are metal wall mounts. No joke. So again, what you see behind me is the Marilyn mirror. So this comes in this landscape orientation, so like long ways, or you can get it in portrait orientation if you have like a more smaller space and you want a taller mirror. So the Marilyn mirror is borderless. So that means that the mirror extends all the way to the edges, but they also have another one called the Ginger. If you prefer a bordered mirror, you can get that too. Okay, so you'll see that this mirror comes with 10 globed LED light bulbs. These are meant to look in that vintage style like an Edison bulb where you can see the inside filament, but it does operate with an LED, so it is very energy efficient and cool to the touch, right? The bottom base of the mirror right by the touch button is this really cool feature where it's the GLAMMY logo that's illuminated from inside the mirror. So cool. So to operate the mirror, you just touch it. There's a little circle right in the middle, and it's, you know, touch sensitive, so you just tap it once to turn it on and tap it once to turn it off. If you want to dim the lights, you just hold your finger and it will dim the lights, and you can also hold your finger to turn up the lights too. You just turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on. I mean, you couldn't look better in front of this mirror. The freaking lights they make your skin look talk about flawless. The one thing that I wish about the bulbs, the color tone is a little bit warm for me, and maybe it's because I'm just sort of used to getting ready in front of like studio lights. They're meant to be like, you know, vintagey style, so you're definitely getting that warm, glamorous glow. So the built-in power sources on the side really gives you a lot of flexibility. You can be charging your phone and using your beauty tools right at arm's length. You don't have to worry about, you know, the outlet being on the other side of the room or too far away from your mirror. This mirror is not cheap at all. So the thing that I love the most about the mirror is like you really feel super glamorous when you're sitting in front of it, even if you're sitting in front of it doing like a sheet mask. It just elevates your space too. Like if you have this setup in your bedroom, I mean, I want to feel equally glamorous if I'm putting on like these giant lashes or if I'm like, you know, trying to handle a booger situation. So let's be real. You want to know how much this mirror really is, right? I'm gonna tell you. This mirror that you see here retails for $389. I know this mirror is an investment in yourself, okay? You're worth it. You just are, okay? If you needed to hear that, I'll be the one to tell you. So this mirror is pricey. I mean, it's like cha-ching pricey. So if you need a little nudge in the right direction to, you know, think about making a purchase, I have a coupon code. Use it or don't, but I don't get a kickback, so all this is savings for you. This is a limited time offer with a code that will be down in the description box below. You will save 15%. If you put on your makeup every day, if you brush your hair every day, if you do your skincare every day, if you do anything where you have to look at yourself every day, if you're gonna invest in one thing, invest in yourself. I mean, I wish you could like really see the quality of this mirror through the camera. I have told you before, I am a total cheapskate. Like, I'm a total cheapskate. This is something, if it was not sent to me, if I had seen this in person, I would have snatched it up. That's high praise, okay? Same. Cheap. So check out the description box down below for all of the information about GLAMMY Vanity. Go to the website, cruise around, look at all their other products. They also have some like travel size mirrors and more portable things. The coupon code that I have is a limited time offer, so check down below for the expiration information and what mirrors it applies to. Spoiler alert, it's all the big ones. So thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching this awesome unboxing video. If you liked it, then please let me know with a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about these stunning mirrors? Follow me on all the socials. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any videos. Hit the notification bell down below so that you can get alerts every time I upload a new video here on YouTube, which is every Thursday at noon. Anyways, that's all the business, I think. So I will catch you next week in the next video. Bye! Are these lashes too much? This is what's happening. This is what's happening. Anyways, get your life together, you ding-a-ling. Stupid. Shutty. Shutty your lippies. GLAMMY. Fuck. Fucking sirens. You wouldn't do that otherwise, right? I mean, the edge of like shh. Shh. I can't even fucking get my thoughts together. Ugh. Were the batteries in there?
No, it's just not light.
Son of a fucking bitch. It's a Pennywise! Ooh.
We had this flavor.
He's so sassy. No!
I had one, it's I.
The pear edition. Oh my god. I will drink this in the morning. And it's sugar-free?
Yeah, that's why I had one myself.
Yes.
It's I. I think right.
Love Red Bull.